The intensity of the strikes between Russia and Ukraine remains extraordinarily high. Both sides have been hitting major infrastructure, industrial, and military targets almost daily. The past 24 hours were no exception. On the night of July 7th, Russian drones destroyed 2 Novopashta logistics terminals. One burned to the ground after being hit in Samara in the Dnipropetrovsk region. The other was struck before dawn in Kyiv. Meanwhile, updated reports on the previous day's strike on the Visar plant in Vishnivy, a satellite city of Kyiv, paint an even grimmer picture. According to former Ukrainian parliament member Ihor Moisychuk, the facility stored depleted uranium rounds and cluster munitions directly adjacent to residential buildings. The resulting detonations destroyed 5 city blocks and forced the evacuation of local residents. These munitions were supplied to Ukraine by the United Kingdom in 2023 and by the United States for use in Challenger 2 and Abrams tanks. Ukraine, for its part, continued its efforts to isolate Crimea. Overnight, 2 electrical substations on the peninsula, Saki and Zapadna Krimskaya, were hit, leaving several settlements without power. Ukrainian forces launched a large-scale HIMARS barrage on the Russian city of Belgorod, firing 48 rockets. On the front lines themselves, the situation remained unstable over the past 24 hours. In the Sumy region, the Russian North Force continues to advance. As of July 7th, assault units had seized new positions north of Komrivka in the Shostka district. The protracted stalemate in Kupiansk appears to be breaking. The city has been the site of intense fighting for a long time, with neither side able to take full control. According to recent reports, Russian forces have intensified their offensive and made tangible tactical gains. Forward assault units are reportedly advancing toward the central railway station. The area near the Chevron and Oskol reservoir, where the Kupiansk and Liman sectors meet, is experiencing much more dramatic developments. Ukrainian forces are facing a deteriorating situation that cannot be reversed by reinforcements or drone saturation. Russian troops appear to be preparing a major operation in the area. The only viable option for Ukrainian command at this point would be to pull back to the Izium area and dig in. However, Syrskyi is unlikely to order a withdrawal, which means the sector north of Liman risks being overrun along with the troops holding it. Should that happen, the entire dynamic of this part of the front would change. Russia would gain a bridgehead comparable to the one at Dryvichna. The line would stabilize on more favorable terms. Conditions would be set for a major push both into the Kharkiv region and the Slavyansk axis.